Trading Nations. This is Laura. Laura and her brother David have chores to do today. Laura is supposed to vacuum, and David has to wash the car. Laura would rather be outside because it's such a nice day. And David, he would rather be inside. He likes where the air conditioning is. What do you think Laura and David will do about their chores? Will they exchange their chores? Will they ignore their chores? Will they pay a friend to do their chores? Or will they do them tomorrow? Take a second and think about it. What would you do? Oh, Kenny. Kenny said he would ignore them and play his video games. That's not very responsible, but I'm sure we've all done that before. Mason? Mason wants to pay a friend to do his chores. That's what he would do. Oh, Lydia. She said pay a friend to do them also. Cash you would ignore your chores too so you could go on YouTube? All right. What about you, Bethany? What do you think? Oh, she thinks they would exchange their chores. Let's take a look. Let's see if Bethany's right. Since she was the last person, let's see if she was right. That's right. They're going to exchange their chores. That way, both people are happy. And here's a picture of them exchanging their chores. All right, let's look at the next slide. Why do people trade? Well, Laura and her brother David decided to exchange their chores. That is actually a trade. A trade is the act of buying and selling or exchanging goods and services. And Laura and David, they each had a service that they wanted to exchange with one another. So when they traded their chores, they were both happier. Here are some goods that children sometimes trade. They sometimes trade these things, just like Laura and David did with their chores. Do you recognize any of these things that people might trade? Oh, you've traded candy before? Yeah. Yeah, me too. Always to get the Butterfingers. That's my favorite. Yeah. Seats in a car. Yeah, Lydia and her brother, they have to trade seats in the car sometimes so they don't get squished in by the car seat. Yeah, I remember that. My kids used to also worry about the car. Trading cards, so like some Pokemon cards. What are some of the other kind of cards that you guys trade? Okay. Yep. All right. So all of these things are things that you could trade. I want you to get a sheet of paper and a pencil. And I want you to answer this question. Have you ever traded with a friend or a family member? And why did you make that trade? Think about that. Have you ever traded with a family member or a friend? And then I want you to write down, why did you make that trade? Have a great day.